Learn English to Mauritian Creole language in the context of true love story between Abhishek and Trisha. When I saw him at Angel's place, my heart escaped. I still remember how his face was. Quand me trouve good angel, me leker, ti sap enkor, me enkor rapel, ce figire comment ti étais. Tiredness was clearly seen on his face. Though he was tired, there was a smile on his face. La fatigue type trouvé clairement dans ce figire. Karmem, l'éti fatigué, ti ena en sourire dans ce figure. He came and met me. We talked for a while. Then he narrated how they took his grandfather's body to the cemetery and burnt his body. L'infin zuen Noun, kozé pour un petit moment. Lerla raconté comment zuen prend, lecorps ce grandpére, zuen amene dans cimitière pour brulé. I was very sad for him because one, he lost his grandfather, and second, he worked day and night and had just returned home, and this misfortune happened. Motif bien sacré pour lui à cause premier l'in perdit ce grand-père et deuxième l'in travaille matin soir et l'iti fait retourne la case et ça malheur in arrivé. Please share, like and subscribe if you want to know more of our beautiful love story. Thank you.